In this video, you learn how to stop Google from tracking your location completely. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So first off, you'll have to navigate to google.com. So you can also do this on your PC or tablet, but right now I'm using my phone. So once you're in google.com, go to the top right and click on your profile picture. Then click on Manage your Google account. Then once you're in this menu, you can scroll down a bit and under Privacy and Personalization, you can click on Manage your data and privacy. Then scroll down a bit again until you see History settings. And first off, we're going to click on Timeline. And what you want to do here is click on Turn Off and then click on Turn Off and Delete Activity. So it'll automatically delete all the past activity you've had on your Google account regarding your location. And here it'll say, new timeline data won't be saved to your devices. Google still uses some other types of location data to be helpful, but we'll delete that after this. So we'll click on Next and click on Delete in the bottom right. So this is deleted and turned off right now. So I have to go back now, click on the top left on the little arrow. Then as you can see right now, the timeline is passed, but we'll also have to stop the web and app activity to completely stop Google from tracking you. So once you're in here, you have to click on Turn Off and Delete Activity again. And then you can click on Next in the bottom right. And you can select everything you want, but I'll choose to select everything. Click on Next. And now you can click on Delete again. And right now, you've stopped Google from tracking your location completely. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.